Hello students, so we are going to start with exercise 1.1 question number 2. Okay, so you have to show that R is defined to be a comma b and a is less than or equal to b square, and this set is defined on a set of real numbers, okay, which includes all the numbers, natural numbers or whole numbers, rational numbers, integers. Okay, so let's check for reflexivity. Okay, so take one element, say 2 comma 2 belonging to R, 2 comma 2. Okay, so if I take 2, then it is obviously less than 2 square, which is 4, right? So this becomes true for all the natural numbers. If I take an element from set of integers, then this is also true, right? Let's take one example from set of rational numbers. So I'm taking half. Okay, so this will be half, which is not less than 1 upon 4, right? Half is 0.5 and 1 by 4 is 0.25, right? So this is half is greater than 1 by 4. So this does not belongs to R. This belongs to R, and this also belongs to R. This does not belongs to R, which says that R is not reflexive. Okay. Let's check for symmetric. Okay. Take one element, say 1 comma 2 belonging to R. So 1 is obviously less than 2 square, which is 4, and I am taking 2 comma 1. So 2 is not less than 1 square. Okay, so this does not belongs to R, so it is not symmetric. Let's check for transitive. Let's say I'm taking 1 comma 2, so 1 is less than 4, and 2 comma 3, so 2 is less than 9. So we can say that 1 is less than 9, so 1 comma 3 belongs to R. Here transitivity is proved for natural numbers. Okay, now I'll take one number from, I'll take combination of natural and rational numbers. Okay. So if I have 3 comma 2 belonging to R and 2 comma 1.5 belonging to R. Okay, so this is 3 is less than 4 and 2 is less than 2.25, right? 15 square is 225. So this shows that 3 is less than 2.25. Is this true? No. So 3 is not less than 2.25, which says that 3 comma 2.25 does not belongs to R, and this is not transitive. Okay. Question number 3, where R is defined to be set of all a comma b such that b is equal to a plus 1. Okay, and this set is given from 1 to 6. So let's write R. So when it is a is 1, we'll get b 2, 2 3, 3 4, 4 5 and 5 6. Okay, these are the elements in R. Now as you can see here, 1 comma 1 till 6 comma 6 does not belongs to R, so this is not reflexive. Okay, now 1 comma 2 belongs to R, but 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R, so not symmetric. Okay, let's check for transitivity. If I take 2 comma 3, okay, 2 comma 3 belongs to R and 3 comma 4 belongs to R, but 2 comma 4 does not belongs to R, so it is not transitive. Okay, question number 4. R is defined on the set of real numbers a comma b. A is less than or equal to b. Now for reflexivity we know that 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2. Now 2 is equal to 2, so the condition is satisfied, so this is reflexive. Okay, let's check for symmetric. If I take 1 comma 2 belonging to R, then I will get 2 comma 1. This is 1 is less than 2, but 2 is not less than 1, so not symmetric. Okay, let's check for transitivity. 1 comma 2 belongs to R and 2 comma 3 belongs to R. Okay, so 1 comma 3 belongs to R, so it is transitive. Okay. Question number 5. Here A is less than or equal to B cube it is given, and it is defined on the set of real numbers. Okay, so you can do it as we have done for A less than or equal to B square. Okay, so if I take 2 comma 2, then 2 is less than 2 cube, which is 8. Okay, this is true for natural numbers. Minus 2 comma minus 2 also it is true, less than 8. If I take half comma half, then half 1 by 2 is not less than 1 by 8. Okay, so this does not belongs to R, so we say that it is not reflexive. Let's check for symmetric. One comma 2 belongs to R and 2 comma 3 1 comma 2 belongs to R. This implies 1 is less than 8. 2 comma 1, for 2 comma 1 this is not less than 1, so it does not belongs to R, which says it is not symmetric. Okay, transitivity. Take one element 3 comma 3 by 2 belonging to R and 3 by 2 comma 6 by 5 belonging to R. First you have to check for natural numbers. Okay, take 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3. Now 1 is less than 3 cube, right? This is true for natural numbers, this is true for integers. So we are checking for rational numbers. So this is 3 is less than 27 by 8. Okay, and 3 by 2 is less than 6 by 5 cube. Okay, but this 3 is not less than 6 by 5 cube. Okay, that will be a bigger number. This 3 is bigger than 6 by 5 cube. So we can say that this 3 comma 3 by 2 6 by 5 does not belongs to R, which implies it is not transitive. Okay.